What's the meaning of bloodied? Bloodied. Bloodied.
Bloodied. Bloodied. The term bloodied refers to something that has been stained or covered with blood, often as a result of violence or injury. It can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation or circumstance that has been marked by conflict, struggle, or pain. The word bloodied can evoke strong emotions and conjure up images of brutality and trauma. It is often associated with scenes of battlefields or crime scenes. The use of the word bloodied can serve to emphasize the severity and gravity of a situation, and to remind us of the physical and emotional tolls of violence and conflict.